Welcome to Jamaican Culture with Sha. I want to do. You know, all right? Everything, Chris? Cool enough? In today's video, I will be sharing a little of Jamaican buzzwords, words that they might use. Some words they use every day, but it's Jamaican buzzword, words that Jamaicans use a lot. Like words like bush. Me I got bush. It don't a bush. Others would say, bush. Others would consider it by saying herb. Yeah? When we say bush, they say herb. That sort of thing. Grong. These are grong. Me I got grong. I could look some food over the grong. The word that they use is grong. It's a place where others would say maybe it's a farm, places where they plant like their yam, their potatoes, stuff like that. Jamaicans say grong. Them a got grong. Chat. Lord, you chat too much. The word we're looking for is chat. You chat too much. Oh, you chat so. Jamaican. Well, they're saying the person talks too much. They talk a lot. Yeah, keep on talking. They talk too much. Silver. You might think it's the silver that you clean, but Jamaica use the word silver a lot. Me need some silver. Me a silver in your pocket. You don't know silver. Me a silver shake up in your pocket. They're talking about like the 5 cent, 10 cent, 1 cent. Jamaica says silver. That's what they're called, talking about. Plat. That word, they use it almost every day. Plat. Let me plat your ear, no? You're not gonna plat your ear. Others will say comb. Yeah, comb their hair. But Jamaican normally would say plait. Nah, go plait your ear, man. Go plait your ear. Shop. Shop. That's the word we're looking for. Shop. Me I got shop. Go down to the shop. Go buy some sugar. The shop want me yet? You're talking about, just like you said, the store, the corner store, where you can go get anything. Jamaicans say shop. Yeah? Shop. Hall. 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 It's in the hall. What are you talking about? Hall. Others would say their living room. Jamaicans, hall. Yeah? This word, they use it a lot. Nyam. I want to nyam some food now. I nyam some food. You like to nyam some food too? Boy, I'm hungry now. I nyam some food. You're talking about eat, yeah? Want to eat some food. Then you have things like, they'll say the word mug. What me mug there? Put on me mug, no use me mug. Cup. But it's a big thing, yeah? A big mug, like a coffee cup. You say cup, mug. It's a big one, not a small one. It's a big one. Frock. Laugh your frock pretty? How you get the pretty frock there from? Lord, your frock pretty not at Christmas. They're talking about someone's dress, your dress. Jamaicans say frock. Yeah? Frock. The next word I'm looking for is foreign. You know what you did there? Foreign you did there? Oh, that what you did there? A long time me no see you. Me think you're gone foreign. They're talking about abroad. Yeah? Maybe the person was missing, so they didn't see the person. They thought the person gone abroad. So they say, he come from foreign last night. You know they're foreign? Mm-hmm, they're foreign. They're talking about abroad. Foul. The word foul. What are they talking about? Foul. White foal. Brown foal. They're talking about chicken. Yeah? Chicken. So they use the word foal. Well, milk kill some foal. Yeah. That's the way they, are plucked. But they would say plucked chicken or things like that, but it's the foal they're talking about. Foal. Then there's this one. Chop plate. A lot of Jamaicans familiar with that. Chop plate. Or crockery. Now you brought my chocolate, Put my chocolate back. Put on my chocolate. If they wear crockery them there, you thinking about crockery, chocolate. Oh, the things like you say it's your chinaware, or I don't know what other name you would use. Then they have the small one, the chocolate is a big one. Then they have the small one, they say saucer. Cover it with the saucer. You take the saucer and cover it. There's a small one, right? And then we have, this is just some of it, okay? As I said, I find our culture to me, it's funny. It's wide. It's Jamaican culture. It's amazing. Jamaica never cuss you yet? When Jamaican cuss you, you're shame. You shame. They say the word, what do you mean me shame? You're embarrassed. If a Jamaican ever cuss you, you ever hear when they curse you? Curse people? Lord Jesus. Galang, you're ugly like. No bother with me, you're ugly like. You notice the word ugly? Oh, they're saying the person not too pretty. So they use the word ugly not instead of pretty. The person is ugly. To them, the person is ugly. They're telling the person that the person is not pretty. So we have a lot of these kind of words that Jamaica use, buzzword that they use, like all of those words that I just lay out. And there are others which I'll share with you another day. But for now, if you like or you find it interesting, what I just said, what I just share with you, yeah, Jamaica say love. No, they don't say love, they say love. Love. Subscribe. Yes, subscribe. Share. Me thank you for watching. Me thank you for keep me company. Thank you for watching. And have a great and continuous blessing in your new year.